Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new around here, I'm Nima. I've been a corporate executive with over 15 years of experience in both sales and finance. My videos break down complex financial concepts to help you on your financial journey, whether you're just starting out or if you're already a seasoned pro. So thank you for clicking in, and let's jump into today's topic, which is the 5 reasons why most people are broke. Now, before I begin, this is more of a concept overview where I highlight 5 key points and I break down each point into further detail. I'll cover various topics as to why most people are broke and the reasons behind them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, the first concept is understanding the different levels of being broke. When it comes to personal finance, there are various levels, with the lowest ones being broke, deeply in debt, and also bankrupt. Now let's break down what each of these terms actually mean. Now, being broke means that you've completely run out of money altogether. It's when your account balance hits 0, and it can honestly happen to anyone regardless of their income level. Deeply in debt is a situation where all of your earnings go towards debt payments, leaving you with nothing left over. In this case, you're financially stretched, but not yet at the point of bankruptcy. Now, the term bankruptcy is when you can no longer pay your debts and need the court's protection to settle with debt collectors. Now, with the first concept out of the way, the second concept that I'll be diving into is, what does it mean to be broke? In this scenario, it's not just about having no money, it's about having no financial cushion. For most people, being broke often comes in hand with debt. Anyone, regardless of their financial background, can find themselves in this situation. So let's break this down with the first term of zero balance. At its core, being broke signifies having a zero balance in your bank account. It's the point where the money you once had is entirely spent and your account registers as a bleak zero. The second term is a lack of financial cushion. Now, what sets being broke apart from momentary cash shortages is the absence of any financial cushion. There are no savings to cover unforeseen expenses or emergencies. It's like walking on a tightrope without a safety net below you. The third term that I'm going to speak on is that debt may accompany being broke. More often than not, when someone is broke, it's not just an absence of money. It's also a state where they might have outstanding debts as well. This compounds the financial strain and creates a situation where literally every penny earned seems to flow out to meet financial obligations, leaving nothing behind. The next term is universal challenge. This is the condition of being broke that is not necessarily restricted by social class or financial background. Again, this can affect anyone from the working class to those who might be considered millionaires. The circumstances leading to this state may vary, but the feeling of having no financial security is a shared experience. The next term is temporary or chronic. Now, being broke can be a temporary situation for some, caused by unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. For others, it may be a chronic state where they consistently struggle to make ends meet, and the cycle of being broke repeats itself. The next term is stress and uncertainty. Now, emotionally, being broke can be incredibly stressful. The uncertainty of how to cover daily expenses, let alone save for your future, can really take a toll on your mental well-being. It can strain the relationships around you and cause sleepless nights. The next term on my list is no room for financial goals. In a state of being broke, there's often no room for pursuing financial goals or dreams. Instead, the focus becomes day-to-day survival, making it challenging to plan for a more secure future. So now that we've covered both the first and second concepts, before I dive into the third one, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could smash the like button, put a comment down below, and subscribe, as it really helps the channel grow and it allows me to continue making more videos for you guys. I really do enjoy helping all of you learn, and I do believe helpful content should be free without charging for a course or anything like that. So please guys, smash the like button, put a comment down below, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Now, my third concept on this list is, why are most people broke? So I've done a ton of research and I took the time to really boil this down to a few common reasons. The first first reason is the lack of financial goals. Now, without any clear financial goals, money tends to be spent haphazardly. Of course, the easy trick into fixing this is setting financial objectives, which are crucial for saving and investing. The second reason on this list is no emergency savings. Building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses can seriously protect you from going broke in case of any unexpected expenses. The next reason on this list is not budgeting. Of course, it goes without saying, having or creating a budget is essential. It helps you plan where your money will go each month, and it prevents you from overspending. The next reason on this list is no financial planning. Now, I'm sure you guys have heard of this multiple times, but planning for your future, of course, is critical. Contributing to a retirement account and investing your money can help you build wealth and avoid being broke. The next reason on this list is spending more than you actually earn. Now, to put it simple, overspending, regardless of your income, leads to financial instability. Living within your means is absolutely key. The next reason on this list is having excessive debt. Now, too much debt, especially on depreciating assets, can quickly drain your finances. Try to be cautious with large payments based on your income. Now, the final reason on this list, and last but not least, is wasteful spending. Small, consistent daily expenses can add up over time. Try to avoid overpriced, unnecessary purchases and focus on saving your money. Now, the fourth concept on my list is how to stop being broke. So guys, most people go broke because they accumulate too much debt. This leads to more bills and payments exceeding their income. However, some low-income earners struggle due to insufficient earnings as well. The way out of this trap is to increase your income streams through various means. And now that I've discussed why people often find themselves in a state of financial insecurity, let's go ahead and explore practical steps to break free from being broke. Here are some key strategies that I've come up with to help you regain control of your finances and build a more secure future for yourself. First off, just try to live within your means. Spending less than you earn is the foundation of financial stability. Regardless of your income level, consistently overspending can trap you in a cycle of insecurity. Try to create a budget to manage your expenses. The next item I have on the list is budgeting your earnings. Develop a monthly budget to allocate your income wisely and have money left after paying your bills. A budget that helps you track your expenses, identifying cost-cutting opportunities, and saving money is traditionally the right way to go. The next tip I have on this list is increasing your income. Boosting your earnings is a proactive step towards breaking free from financial insecurity. Seek a higher paying job opportunity, work extra hours, explore side gigs, or even try to freelance. The next item I have on this list is acquiring assets. Building long-term wealth and security requires investment in appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or even a small business. These assets can generate passive income and ultimately grow your net worth. The next item that I have on this list is managing your debt. Excessive debt can erode financial stability. Minimize your debt to the best of your availability, especially those high-interest loans. Prioritizing paying down existing debts, such as credit card balances, could really go a long way. And the last tip I have on this list is saving for an emergency fund. Now, building an emergency fund, of course, as I've said in all my videos, is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses, providing a safety net for unexpected events like medical bills, car repairs, or even a job loss. But yeah, that's it, guys. Remember, financial security is within your control, at least most of the time. By prioritizing wise financial choices and building a strong financial foundation, you can break free from the cycle of being broke. Your financial well-being is a journey, and with dedication and prudent financial strategies, you can create a brighter financial future for both yourself and your family. I really want to thank you all for watching this all the way through. Please go ahead and share this video with anyone that you know that might be struggling with their finances and would like to know more about what they can do. If you have any additional suggestions or experiences with your financial journey, please share them in the comments below. Please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos every week. I'll see you all in the next video.